5 years you've had in opposition, and the best you could do is a supportive document to the JLP's achievements? Do these people even watch the news? Tourism pension scheme. You mean like the tourism workers pension scheme? One hot lunch per day for needy students. So pa, strengthening airline partnerships and destination marketing strategies. What can Wickham McNeil do that Ed Bartlett has not already done? Heart and NSTA training in modern agriculture, agro-processing and agribusiness for youth island-wide. So reap. If anything, the document, and these are just some of the proposals, is confirmation that the PNP believes the government is doing an excellent job. That they are not seeking to form government because they believe they can do better, but rather because they want power. Nothing else but that. So ideas about how you're going to change the lives of people is overrated. What an insult to the intelligence of Jamaican people.